Right, I'm on my way to a spicy Sichuan restaurant called Chilli Fagara. It's time to get hot. So this is it. This is Chilli Fagara. It's got to be one of my favorite Sichuan restaurants in Hong Kong. They're well known for a whole array of spicy Sichuan dishes. But I'm here for one thing, Empress chili prawns. Food's arrived, smells amazing. Look at that. Encrusted in spice, golden, shiny. There's so many notes in this. Salty, spicy, sweet from the fresh prawns, juicy, and my mouth's on fire. Spicy and numbing. It's so good. Tasting the amazing flavours of those Emperor's prawns has inspired me to create my own version. Grilled, spicy Kung Po prawns. I've got here some fresh tiger prawns. Take a really sharp knife, run the knife through to the back of the spine. That's the digestive tract, and that's what you remove. Into some cold water, nice little rinse, and they're ready to go. Marinate the prawns in some Lee Kum Kee's Kung Po sauce for chicken. Then I'm gonna go in with Lee Kum Kee premium dark soy sauce. So give that a good mix. I've got here some bamboo skewers, and they've already been pre-soaked in some cold water for about 15 minutes. Skewer it all the way from the tail through to the head. So just keep skewering until you have them all done. Before grilling, I'm going to just pour over 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil. So the grill is nice and smoking hot. It's time to put the prawns. Now we're going to cook them for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side and then turn them. Once they start to turn lovely and pink and they're easy to lift off the grill, you know they're ready. Put them on a plate and just let the prawns rest. And then I'm going to make a delicious dipping sauce. So I've got here some Lee Kum Kee plum sauce, and this is for a bit of sweet and sour. Lee Kum Kee oriental sesame dressing, juice of half a lime. Give that a good mix. Then I'm just gonna pour it straight into a dipping bowl. Good sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and some fresh shiso. And then just a few wedges of lime. There you go. That is my grilled spicy Kung Po prawns.